In today's video I'll show you how to make your X or Twitter account private in the mobile app. Let's get into the method. To make your account private, we need to make it so that only certain people can see our posts. Open the app and then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now choose Settings and Privacy, which should be near the bottom of the list. On Android, you might need to tap on Settings and Support first, and then Settings and Privacy. Within the settings, choose Privacy and Safety from the list, and now tap on Audience and Tagging. On here you can turn on the two toggle switches, as this will prevent anyone who doesn't follow you from seeing your posts. You'll also be able to approve or deny any new followers with this enabled. That's how to make your X or Twitter account private in the mobile app. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.